Hi guys, how are you? I'm Adam Taki, the co-founder of Amazing Taste Food Seasonings and the author of Spice It Up. How to cook a tilapia fillet, 3 to 4 minutes per side, and you will have a super healthy, high protein superfood that you could pair with just about anything. We're gonna take, I got right here 2 pieces of fresh tilapia, and you could use frozen tilapia or fresh from your seafood counter. I just go with whatever's on sale and whatever's the most reasonably priced. And I'm just going to season my sides, both sides using Amazing Taste's Malibu seasoning. And why I love this seasoning, it has garlic, it has paprika, it has a little onion, just a dash of salt. And the seasoning, it just really goes with just about anything. It's just a wonderful all-purpose seasoning that goes great with anything I'm making. And I put this on vegetables, I put it on my salads. I love this seasoning. And I'm just going to turn my fillets over here and season both sides. And then I'm just going to saute them in my skillet. And here we go. And you notice the nice color, nice, beautiful texture. I got my pan, I have it heated on a medium-high temperature, and I'm just going to cook them for 3 to 4 minutes per side, and I'm just going to cook them until they are tender at the touch of a fork and ready to eat. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Adam Taki. For more information, please visit amazingtaste.com. Have a great day, guys.